here at Atomic Precision. They started 5 years ago with one Hurco machine secondhand. I've got maybe a hunch it worked out for them because they've now got 5, 3, 4 and 5-axis Hurco machines, all producing crazy complex parts with super precision that go to space, F1 cars, medical devices and much, much more.
I'm Wayne Robbins from Atomic Precision. I am one of the 2 directors that own the company. We're based in Oxford, or just outside of Oxford, and we support the local space industry, mainly dealing with prototype, small batch work, very much flexible work to support our customers in a technological area where precision, tight lead times are super important. So that's what we've built our business on. And we've gone from strength to strength in terms of we do as we say we're going to do. We do work that maybe other people don't like to look at perhaps because they need super accurate tolerances, sometimes very small tools down to 200 microns. And with our background, we're able to offer so much support from that perspective.
Hi, I'm Mike Phillips. I'm one of the directors at Atomic Precision. I'm an apprentice-trained machinist and a recent business director. The majority of our parts are aluminium, brass, copper, touch a little bit of stainless, sometimes exotics, a bit more exotic, Inconels, molybdenum, tantalum, but for the most part, small to medium aluminium components for space and scientific research.
So when we started the company, we weren't flush with a huge budget for equipment. So we actually, because we've built a trust with Hurco from our previous employment, we found an old VM1 on an auction for less than £12,000 and we were able to build our business from that point. We shared a barn with an antiques dealer and it was just one of us working for the company and in our spare time. But we already began to build relationships with customers because of the quality of the parts we were producing and our reliability, that within 6 months we'd brought our second Hurco, and with this second Hurco we were able to buy a 4th axis, which allowed us to move into multi-axis machining and again reduce cycle times, which meant we could reduce lead times, which again gave us greater flexibility. And then almost a year after that we were into a 5-axis machine, and then I came on board with the company and we basically doubled our machinery at that point, which then doubled our turnover. And we've just kind of gone from strength to strength really, just supporting the local industry.
So we recently employed one of our mates to work with us who has no background in machining. But the brilliant thing about the Hurco control is that we sent him down to Hurco for 2 days training. He's come back, he's showing us he knows how to set parts, he knows how to set tools. I mean, it's just a weight off of us in having someone to do that for us.
So the parts we make either go into space, float around, or they very much can stay on planet Earth, and they're used for cancer research and various other research instruments, that defence. We also do some work for motorsport too, so it's all very varied and very interesting. So our company is built around reliability, delivering parts when we'll say they deliver them. So, you know, every machine will break down, of course it will, but it's how that's fixed from that point and how quickly. And Hurco not only are very responsive via email, we've called them, and there'll be somebody on the end of the phone to talk us through what we can work through ourselves. And they've always been super reliable, and they could have an engineer here the following day, and also at a reliable cost. From the service perspective, they're one of the most cost-efficient companies that we've worked with. And like I say, again, it's that same old story, isn't it? They've not let us down, so that's why we've kept coming back. So Atomic Precision is now coming up for its 5th year. We now own 6 Hurcos of various 3, 4, 5 axis. And we not only support companies that are close to us, but people that we've worked with have moved to companies the other side of the country and have contacted us to do work because they know that we will produce on-time quality products. And also, we kind of we specialise ourselves on that personal touch, that you know that if you're talking to Mike or I, then we're also machining your parts. So we know what you're trying to achieve. And I think that sometimes sets us apart from some other companies around us.
I'm David Waghorn, I'm Managing Director of Hurco Europe. Hurco machines suit a company like Atomic Precision because they do a lot of one-offs, prototyping. They'll even come and do changes and tweaks on parts once they've been made already. The small volume complex parts really suit a Hurco control. What's interesting with Atomic is they do a lot of stuff offline using Hypermill, but the way they marry the Hurco control, the way they use the part setup in conversational and then bring in the CAD-CAM is excellent. They really know what they're doing and they're doing a great job.